Welcome back to another video. Adore me, babe. My name is Adrian. If you are new here, and you can call me AJ. If you are an OG, hey girl, hey. So today in this video, I'll be showing you all how I get my quick weaves or bond-in to last 2 months. And this is just a really quick, nice, soft install. I won't be doing anything too much. I just wanted to show you all how I get them to last for 2 months. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video.
Don't doubt yourself. Trust me, you need me. This ain't no shoulder with a chip or an ego. What you think they all mad at me for? You need a real woman in your life, taking care home and still fly. And I'ma help you build up your account. Better get a husband, believe me. When you're in them big meetings for the meals, take me just to compliment the deal.
Right here, I am just parting out how much of my hair I want left out. And in all of my installs, I leave very minimum hair out. I want the least amount of hair out because the more I leave out, you know, I just want all of my hair, most of my hair covered and protected. Starting my braided foundation process. I do know a lot of people like to go ahead and just like mold their hair down or slick their hair back into a ponytail. Me in particular, I like to braid my foundation. I like to braid my foundation because I feel like it's going to be in for 2 months. I don't want any hair getting loose, so I just go ahead and braid it up. And I do connect all of my loose braids into one, and coming up in a few seconds I will slow this down just so y'all can see how I do that. And so everything is nice and flat. These braids do not have to be the neatest, okay? They don't have to be the neatest braids. They don't have to be the smallest braids. I just like to go ahead and braid about 8 braids and get it nice and flat, and that's it. It's easy and simple, y'all.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance.
And so now that the base is braided, we're going to jump right into the install. Now, you guys, this is the most important part when it comes to getting your bond-ins to last for 2 months, this cap part. And I did not have a black cap, so we're just going to have to improvise and use the beige one. And actually, it's pretty nice, so I get to show you all exactly how to do it, and I don't have to like try to show y'all against the black cap. You can see everything clearly. Right now, I'm just going in with the Weave Wonder cap. I like to put that on the first cap, and then I'll go behind it, spray it with Got To Be, some more Got To Be hairspray, and then I'll put the second cap on.
Saying they love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
So guys, what I'm doing right here is I am outlining where I have my leave out with the glue. This is just going to help me keep track of where my leave out is, so I won't put any hair glue on it. And you guys, that hair bonding cap is a protectant, so it's like the Got To Be glue isn't even on your hair because hairspray is dry. It does contain alcohol, but with that Wonder Weave cap on there, on your cap first, it's going to protect your hair from all of that. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in and blow dry it. Now, that is the very important part. Please make sure everything is completely dry. Everything is completely dry with this step. We're just going to start laying the tracks. Now, my camera did die and I didn't notice, so we're just going to start from here. And it's thousands of videos on YouTube on how to lay tracks. We're just going to put the glue on the tracks and we're just going to lay them. Another thing, guys, always make sure you are curving those tracks in the front just like that, just so you're able to pull your tracks back in a ponytail or however you may like, but just make sure they are curved in the front.
Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Better just do the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me
Now that the hair is in your head, we are going to slowly and carefully cut the excess cap off. Y'all, this is the worst part for me. I'm always so nervous when I get to my leave-out part. Just be careful. Don't cut your hair off, okay? Please be careful. Before you put heat to your hair, always use a heat protectant. This is very vital. You don't want any heat damage, so just go ahead and put a heat protectant on there. And now that I am almost done flat ironing the hair, we are going to perfect our leave out. And the most important step with perfecting our leave out, because I am a natural girl, I do have 4B/C natural hair. We're going to use a wax stick. A wax stick is a little bit greasy, so I only use a little bit, and we use that right before we go ahead and flat iron that part. Do you guys see how nice and straight the wax stick gets the hair? Just for me, I have very frizzy hair, so for me, using a wax stick is a must to get my hair to lay properly with the weave. Now with this particular weave, this is the IC body wave in 18, 20, 22, 24. The one thing I love about IC hair is IC hair has a little bit of texture to it. It isn't bone straight, it isn't silky straight. It has a little bit of texture to it, and that matches perfectly with my natural hair.
Know that you the type that like to keep them on the leash, though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing, believe me. Come harder, this won't be easy. Don't doubt yourself, trust me, you need me. This ain't no shoulder with a chip or an ego. What you think they all mad at me for? You need a real woman in your life, taking care home and still fly. And I'ma help you build up your account. Better yet, a hood to believe in me. In them big meetings for the meals, you take me just to compliment the deal. And anything you cop, I put the bill.
want, you can go ahead and leave your hair bone straight. But since I want some type of volume to the hair, bounce, I want those soft, you know, effortless, loose waves to the look. So I'm just gonna curl it a little bit, play around with it a little bit, and see how it turns out. And so you guys, this is just me playing around with the hair, seeing how I like it. Anytime you all see an install, I have a hair in my hair, it will always be this exact install. And this exact install always lasts me 2 months. It's just that simple, it's just that easy and that quick. Thank you all for coming to watch my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Heard that you're started working weekends in the city. Gotta take it. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you.